Hello little artists! Today we are going to draw letters and numbers. Let's start the fun, but first subscribe to my channel and like this video. First I am drawing the letter A very carefully. This is capital A. Our A is ready. Now I am drawing the letter B. This is capital B. Now it's time to draw the letter C. This is capital C. Now I am drawing the letter D. This is capital D. Now I am drawing number 1. This is number 1. Now let's draw the number 2. This is number 2. Now I am drawing number 3. This is number 3. Finally, I am drawing number 4. This is number 4. Now I am coloring the letter A with pink color. I am coloring very softly and neatly. Stay inside the lines. Fill all the empty spaces carefully. Pink color looks so pretty on letter A. Wow, my pink letter A looks amazing. Now I am coloring the letter B with yellow color. Yellow color looks bright and shiny. I am filling every corner carefully. Don't go outside the lines. Wow, the yellow letter B looks so cute. Now I am coloring the letter C with sky blue color. I am filling all the white spaces nicely. Don't go outside the lines. Great! My letter C coloring is complete. Now I am coloring the letter D with red color. Red color looks bold and bright. I will keep the color inside the lines. Wow, my red letter D is ready. Now I am coloring number 1 with green color. Don't go outside the lines. Fill all the empty spaces nicely. Great! Number 1 coloring is done. Now I am coloring number 2 with purple color. Purple color looks beautiful and bright. Don't go outside the lines. Fill all the empty spaces nicely. Great! Number 2 is fully colored now. Now I am coloring number 3 with light pink color. Light pink looks soft and pretty. Don't go outside the lines. I am filling every space nicely. Finally, I am coloring number 4 with blue color. Blue color looks cool and bright. Stay inside the lines. Fill all the empty spaces nicely. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.